Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. Now let's get into today's video. Can you believe we're finally here? Because, I can't. So, it will almost be a year since last year's convention, and I find it really interesting that the variation Agnes came out before the meant to be Agnes, I guess I can call it. I don't want to call it the original Agnes, so I'll just call it the meant to be. And my tag was out. Anyways, I do find that interesting. The business person in my mind wants to know all the deeds and all the secrets behind what happened. Was there material that was left behind? Was there hair not available? I want to know because I'm a curious person. But with all that being said, right here, Miss Agnes von Weiss, dress doll, color variation, official Integrity Toys 25th anniversary doll. Let's get into it. I can't believe I kept her in the shipper. Actually, now that I put the shipper on my desk, I really should have done this off camera. Now, I know it's been a hot minute. I had to look back. So, face of disbelief. This is the new shipper box. How did I not know that? I'm a little late to the game, and no one on Instagram told me that there was a new shipper box. I find it interesting that no one mentioned that because I feel like, people talk about the shipper box randomly, but they do. Which explains why I thought I was going to open it from here. It also explains why this was different. I took it out of the box and I was like, oh, that looks different. So yeah, shipper box is different. Okay, well that caught me off guard. I wasn't ready. But I'm moving on. Oh, it feels a little heavy. Okay. You dirty too? Oh. Not important. Take off that tissue paper for you. Here's the box. You're all familiar with it. It was a moment, but we want what's inside. Just quick meditation while I prepare myself to see what's inside. Ooh. From this angle, everything's gorgeous. Hello, beautiful. I've covered my face completely, and I'm completely okay with that. Mostly because I knew the box was going to come down at some point. Oh, it's stunning. You want to see? I'll show you. Also, little tidbit, the purple and the silver together is just gorgeous, is what I meant to do with that. But it just, yeah, when it finished. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Feeling really extra. There's a lot happening today. I don't know why, but we're gonna work with it. So if this is your first time at my channel, I like to unbox the girls off camera. I like to have my little moment with them, a little one-on-one. Then I'll come back and I'll display her and all of her accessories as she's meant to be. In today's video, we're going to do something a little different. I don't think I've done this before. I might have done it before. A lot happens on this channel. I will be redressing her because she is a keeper in my collection. I actually really appreciate the screening and I like the silver hair. She's staying. And then I'm going to show you someone else wearing the dress because I've been imagining this moment for quite some time. So I'm really excited. So you're getting not one, but two redressings in this video. Are you ready? Let's go. Well, alrighty then. Where do I begin? I like keeping things positive on my channel, so we're gonna keep it a positive. But before I do that, ooh, should I turn her over a little bit? Ooh. No, I'm not gonna do it because the bag is gonna fall. We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. First of all, after seeing this version, I love her so much more. To me, the styling here is more up my alley. Let me repeat that for the people in the back. More up my alley. I love the high ponytail. I love the silver. I love the subtle touch of purple in the eyeshadow as well as in the jewelry. Totally my thing. I also really love this dress being in the silver because it's more in line with the original. I remember this original look from a runway, if I'm not mistaken, it's Rolf and Russo. Their dress is similar to this, and that's obviously where the inspiration came from. And I love that dress. So I loved seeing it in this miniature design, and I love it in this color. I'm more of a neutral boy too, although I did get the yellow one, and when we get here, we'll talk about it, and then you'll see my ideas on who I wanted it on. But anyways, let's focus on the task at hand. Let me zoom in a bit more. My girls are looking real glam around here in these streets. I didn't want to move her because of the bag. You see, because the bag is barely being held by her. You can't see it now, and I don't want to touch it because I don't want it to fall. But there's a lavender diamond on the top of the bag. So I love that very subtle lavender touch that comes in with the eyeshadows. And I'm going to kind of give you a look as we go over here. There we go. You focus? Sorry for the up and down. There. Right, I was saying lavender. Almost lost my train of thought there. Love how the lavender is very subtle. It's barely coming on the camera, which I absolutely love. And as you see, the big ring also has a lavender stone, as well as the smaller stones in her earring are lavender, while the drop-down ones are silver. Love, 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 love. Also, the reason why I was not that big on the Agnes basic was very much because of this Agnes. They're very similar to me. I know they're very different because the basic has more of a tan, actually, than this one does. But the screening is very neutral. The hair is really blonde. They're also lighter skin. So I was very much like, I'm keeping this one. She's already on her way. I also love a high pony. Just to kind of give you a backstory. I'm like, it's so similar. And I think that's something that the club has been talking about is, as much as we love Agnes, it was just too similar and looks way too soon. So, yeah. This Agnes is staying in my collection. If you peeped it through my whole, like, bleach right now, she is staying. She's here to keep. Now, let me take a deep breath because I usually don't like mentioning negatives, but I feel like it's important today. Now, you can't see it because her arm is up, but where the one shoulder sleeve thing is, we're going to call it that because words are clearly not forming. It's not tacked. I'm going to have Kyle tack it for me. I already asked him. I would have loved it to be tacked so I could use it the way that it was photographed off the shoulder. I really love the versatility of having it either off the shoulder or on the shoulder. But right now, due to the fact that it's not tacked to the dress, when you put it off the shoulder, it kind of just like falls off. Not the cleanest look. Don't really love it. Also, the fabric seems to be shedding. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I don't think you can. But yeah, it's like shedding, which is really weird to me. I also thought, yeah. I thought the train was longer in the back. That might have been my own illusion because I love a good train. I know a lot of people don't, but I do love a good train. So I thought it was longer. It is not actually longer. And the biggest negative, no, it was not the dress slightly shedding. Here, trying to find a new location for you. My stockings are broken. Yes. Let me actually try to move the dress a little bit for you. see what happens. There we go. Give you a little leg action. Funny enough, the leg that's out, the stocking has a huge hole on it. As I was putting the stockings on, the hole just kind of appeared. So I really doubt that I did it while putting them on. I think it came like that. So I will be reaching out to patient care, which is something that I actually do not do regularly. A lot of my dolls, a lot of the things that they come with I either can work with or I'm just really happy to have them. Kind of bust my ass to get them. Sometimes just happy to get them. That I actually don't reach out to patient care that often unless if it's something like this. Like it's obviously something that came like this, and I was really excited about these stockings slash shoes. So we'll be reaching out to them on that. But also with that being said, as much as I love the idea and I love the look, and I think the car is really interrupting my speaking. As much as I love the look and I love the idea and I love that they did it, this will definitely be a piece that I cannot use frequently. It is very sensitive, as it should be. I definitely feel like this is one of those items that was made to be displayed, because it's a sensitive. But, ooh, I feel like that's the longest I've talked. But there was a lot to say here. Now, so you've seen her in her full look. Now I will redress her. I haven't even given thought to what she's going to be redressed. But I will say this. It won't be glam because she's already glam and we don't want to do glam on glam. So, let's see what I end up coming up with. Okay, so here's my variation Agnes redress. I need to come up with a name for her. I realize I don't have a name for her yet. I usually don't keep them with the names that they have because I have so many of the same face mold. Anyways, I am digressing. So for this look, I think the hair inspired me to go down this path. And then once I started putting it together and once the pieces started coming to my head, I was like, OMG, it's Jennifer Lopez in Maid of Manhattan. Clearly my version because I don't have all the same items as she did. Also, for the first time, I'm using cups and I'm using props, which I have a lot of. I just don't end up using it. So you're getting a view of it here in this video. We're going to go close up. White boots, a little neutral bag. And yes, if you can't tell, yes, that is an Ohm white coat. I wanted an all-white vibe, and I had a white Ohm coat, so I went with it. And here we are. Would have loved if the girl had a white curl, but she don't, so, you know, we make it work with what you got. But yeah, once again, very Jennifer Lopez Made in Manhattan inspired. That look is very iconic in my mind for some apparent reason. So this is a very fresh, crisp fall look in New York, if you get my drift. So yeah. Variation Agnes redressed in a different look. Let's zoom out so you can get another feel of it all together. Yes. Are we crooked? It's okay. Here they go. Now, what will follow is who I've been dreaming of in Agnes' original dress. I hope you are ready because I'm very excited. Ladies and gentlemen, it is last year's upgrade Adele from Convention. I've been dreaming of this moment. So for obvious reasons, she's now wearing the stockings. I gave her a pair of clear pumps that I own. I would have loved for her to hold the bag, but it's just not going to work. Now, something I noticed while I was putting her in the style, which was like, oh my gosh, she's so perfect for it. Her manicure is actually like a light purple tone, kind of sort of with a French tip. So it's almost like she was made for it. We were all on the same wave page. So yeah, I also am one of the few people, I say few because I haven't come across a lot of people on the forum that like a good updo. And for this particular look and with this dress, I just think it's absolutely perfect. And I just, the love that I'm feeling. I'm going to zoom in so you can get a lot of the beauty. Even that shot right there, that alone is gorgeous. Also, this color, the diamonds on this skin tone, can we get into it? Whew, that, ladies and gentlemen, that's iconic. Also, talking about color variation, I just realized it as I was doing and not that, but you get what you'll see where I'm going here. We got a color variation in the dress, but we ended up getting just another Agnes. Also fair skin with a color variation hair. I'm at the point, we should have pulled a Mattel. I hate to say that because, they're not people I should be looking up to. It is what it is. But usually when Mattel says variation, they mean another ethnicity in the same dress. So in this case, I would have loved a different skin tone in the same dress in a different color. Are we following? So love that the dress was given to me in a different color because I absolutely love this dress, like I said earlier. But I would have also loved that the skin tone of the Agnes was changed. You know, if I would have gotten an Agnes in the same dress with a different skin tone, different color dress, um, and the same hairstyle. Like the hairstyle could have stayed the same because obviously it's the same dress and the dress needs a similar hairstyle. Um, I would have been happy. Not to say that I'm not happy now because, well, we'll get into that in another video. Anyways, Adele, this dress, match made in heaven. I'm gonna zoom out for you again so you can get the vibes of the look. Zoom out a little bit more. A little bit more. No, that's good. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning into a video with me here on my channel, Just Christopher. I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's restyling. And if you haven't already at the top of this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button right along with the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I have a new video. Now, like I confirmed the video before last, the last video, I confirmed it in one video, but I'm reconfirming it in this video. Okay, get ready, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because there's a lot coming. Okay, and it's confirmed. Tracking on its way. There's a lot. Okay, a lot. So buckle your seatbelts, boo. I hope you're ready. Until next time, guys. Bye.